The length of a rectangle is 4 more than 3 times the width. So I don't know the width, but I'm going to compare the length to it. Since it's a rectangle, the opposite sides are the same length. This one is 3 times the width and then 4 more. And that means this one has to be as well. The word more would tell us to add 4. Now we're talking about perimeter, so we're going to add all of our sides together. So by adding my sides together, I have 3W, 6W, 7W, and 8W. So down here I'm going to write 8W, and then I also have a 4 and a 4 make 8, so plus 8. And it says that the perimeter is 18.4 centimeters. I can then subtract 8 from both sides, which gives me 10.4, since these ones add to 0. And on this side, I still have 8W. To finish and solve for the width, I can divide both sides by 8. Then I will have W is equal to 1.3. However, I'm not finished because I have to determine the other length and then use that to calculate the area. So I need 3 times 1.3 and add that to 4, and that will tell me the length. So here I'll have 3.9 plus 4. That gives us 7.9 as our length. So the area will be 1.3 times 7.9. And our area is equal to 10.27 centimeters squared. Remember, area is 2-dimensional, so it has to be squared.